Such a beautiful fish. Oh, oh, man, he's gone. Oh, he's running. Oh, shit. Uh-oh. Where's he coming from?
We're back. We're gonna be doing a first start video on my freshly rebuilt 1999 Yamaha Warrior 350.
Alright, shut the hell.
1982 Honda XR200R. Let's go.
Oh yeah. Finished putting it together today.
Got the motor in last night. This thing should fire right up.
Yeah, totally gonna happen. Look at that fresh paint job, folks. Bright red engine. It's spicy. I'm gonna finish up with the decompression. Let's fill this hog up.
Tell me what yours is.
This is my 1980 Honda XR250 engine, at least. It's an XR500 frame and an XL camshaft, which will be switched to an XR at some point in life.
This tank is like 100 gallons. What's the plan for next weekend?
Next weekend, we be going up north with the gang, folks.
We got tight deadlines.
Oh yeah, we do.
Rebuilt 1982. This is a 232 stroke.
232 cc's.
I talked to Mickey Dunlap, 4-stroke tech. Check him out. It's on Facebook. That's where I talked to him. Hey, my clutch is too tight again. Oh, I gotta turn the gas on, don't I?
Yeah, that might help.
Oh my god. No leaks. Yet.
What's up, guys? Never mind, it's an ambulance. Definitely a crash at this point. Kind of sounds just like it's not getting gas.
Plug might be fouled because I put oil down it.
Could be.
It's getting fuel.
Well, cops are coming here now. It's just not starting. Good looking bike though.
Just retimed it. It was exactly 180 degrees backwards.
Yes, it was.
So no wonder it wouldn't start.
We'll see if it fires. Gas on?
Now.
Should have said it louder.
Oh my god, it runs. And it still has a head gasket.
Surprisingly.
Crazy, right, dude?
Yeah.
You rebuild it correctly. You have me rebuild it and it keeps the head gasket.
Yeah, when you don't put it
Might be
on
saying
upside down.
something. Watch this. No gas. Wait. Frick.
What were you saying? You were saying?
I was saying no gas.
Did you turn the gas on or is it still on?
Reserve.
Dude. That thing's barking. Holy crap, dude. And my 250. Nice, dude. 2 weeks, fully rebuilt. Oh yes, my exhaust came off. Holy shit, dude. God damn, dude. That's freaking obnoxious. Sounds so good. Hey, pop it! Oh, dude. Ah. God damn. Hot dog, son.
Break it in right.
Shit.
Break it in like it's gonna get treated. Like
Rough.
a dirty bit. I think I need to advance the timing a smidge because it is running hot. So
We can do
advance
that.
the timing.
Do we have to do it right now?
No. It's probably safe right now though because I'm running cheap gas. Cheap gas, you don't want too much timing because it'll spark knock.
Clamp, it's over here.
Eh.
Clamp over there.
Ooh, I like the way this thing. Now it's just me and you with working bikes. Huh?
Let's go burn something.
Burn something?
I got my lighter on me. What's message me, Bill?
Put the yard man on fire. Who was it?
Okay, thanks. Your mother. She called me.
Actually?
No, she messaged me though.
I was about to say.
I don't know. I think she's into me.
Alright, she's 57. More.
I will once it's lit. This is gasoline. I don't want to die.
Doggy daycare. Oh yeah.
That shit's hot.
Dude. Just fill the bottle on there. Boom! Alright, he's tweaking now, chat. Chickity chickity chigger!
What did you just tell me?
Oh, man, my fault.
No, we're leaving Monday.
Okay.
Your dad said you can skip Monday. You can skip, bro. Is he mine? What do you
Good
think?
job, dude.
Thank you. I actually rebuilt that by myself. We'll see you guys. We'll see you guys at the cabin. Most likely. I don't know yet though. We'll see you probably soon. Check out Paul's channel at PaulieMiller89.
Right there.
Link in the description.
Oh, down that way.
Yes. See you guys. All right, we're gonna go on a. Sorry for it being dark. We're gonna go on a little ride real quick to test the freshly rebuilt motor out. Should be in the same video as getting it fired for the first time, which was 5 hours ago. So we're gonna go rip the road real quick, get the motor broken in a little bit more. Dude, this thing's got power now. Holy shit! almost looped it coming in. I'm gonna run it out of gas real quick. Oh shit, that's neutral. Out of gas. Heard it here first, folks.
Yeah. Alright, well, as you guys saw it here, first riding of Tanner's XR200R. After it's been freshly rebuilt for what, the third time? Second or third time?
Second.
Yeah, me with my bike, ripping, of course. Subscribe to my channel, please, I'm begging you. At PollyMiller89, link in the description. Go subscribe to Leo as well. That link will be in the description as well. Yeah, we'll see you guys up north.